Hello and welcome to Misto Academy. In this walkthrough for business owners, we will explore the orders and order inquiries modules, tools designed to help you manage your business smoothly, right from your own phone. Whether you are fulfilling an order or reviewing a buyer's inquiry, these features give you complete control. Let's get started. We will begin with the orders module. This is where you can view, manage, update status, or even cancel your orders. From your dashboard, tap on the orders icon. Here, you will see a list of all the new orders you have received. Each order displays the buyer's name, address, delivery mode, and payment status. You will also find buttons to call or chat with the buyer directly. Tapping on any order opens this detail screen. Here you can change the delivery mode based on specific situation with the customer's consent, view billing, and customer details. If needed, you can even cancel the order by selecting a reason and confirming the cancellation. Once you have viewed a new order, it automatically moves to the next stages of pending unless you start the progress, in which case it moves to in progress. To view all your orders, tap on the All tab. You can filter orders by date using the filter icon on the top right. Use the search bar to find a specific order. Orders are organized into tabs based on their status. Pending for orders awaiting your action, in progress once you started working on them, ready to ship when they are packed and ready to go, shipped and delivered for orders that has been dispatched or completed. To begin working on an order, tap Start Progress. You may see a screen asking you to upload your signature. This is required for generating invoices. If you have already uploaded your signature to your profile, then you may not get the screen and would directly proceed to update the status of the order. Once the order is ready, tap Mark Ready to Ship. If you are using your own delivery personnel, be sure to share their details with the customer. After delivery, mark the order as delivered to update the status. You may have situations where a customer directly calls or interacts with you over chat and places an order. In this case, you can create an order on behalf of the customer as well. We recommend you do this on all your manual orders. It helps track your orders and invoices, maintain history, no pending payments, issue loyalty points, encourage customers to use app. Remember, every new user of your digital store is not just a customer, but a potential ambassador, one who can open a new network for you to expand your business. You will find the Create Order button at the bottom of the screen under the New or the All tabs.